choosing an engineering college is, well, it's a huge decision. So let's just cut through all the noise and take a hard look at Muthayammal Engineering College in Rasipuram. The TNEA Code is 2610, and we're going to focus on the facts, the real data you need for your 2026 admissions shortlist. And we'll start with just two numbers that really tell you a lot about this college's quality. First up, the college holds a NAAC A grade. Now, for parents listening, this is one of the most reliable stamps of quality you can look for in India. It's not just a marketing claim, it's a verified, currently valid seal of approval for academic excellence. And the second number to remember? 7. That's the number of their main engineering programs that have earned national accreditation from the NBA. So, what does that actually mean for a student thinking of joining here? Well, it means you're looking at proven quality. These accreditations are not just pieces of paper, they are current, official validations that the teaching and learning standards are high. Let's dig a bit deeper into which programs have this backing. Okay, take a look at this. What's so powerful here is the commitment it shows. You've got 7 core BE programs, and all of them are Tier 1 NBA accredited. Now notice the validity dates. Computer science, ECE, EEE, and mechanical are locked in until June 2027. And then you've got IT, biomedical, and civil, they're valid all the way through to June 2028. This is a very strong signal of sustained long-term quality. So now that we've laid that foundation of trust, let's get into the college's core identity. Who are they, really? All right, here are the essentials at a glance. Muthayammal is a self-financing autonomous college. It was started way back in 2000 and is affiliated with Anna University, Chennai. Admissions are done through TNEA counseling, with that standard 65% government and 35% management quota split. You can actually see a story of consistent progress here. The college was established in 2000 by the Muthayammal Educational Trust. A huge milestone came in 2016 when it was granted UGC autonomous status. And then it followed that up by securing the NAAC A grade in 2022. It's a clear upward path. So what does all this mean for the actual academic opportunities available to students right now? Let's look at the BE and BTech programs available for TNEA 2026. Right away, you can see they have a really strong intake in the high-demand fields. 300 seats for computer science and 240 each for both AI and data science and ECE. It's clear they offer a broad range of options for students. And what's really interesting is the focus on these future-ready specializations. We're talking about programs like AI and data science, cybersecurity, AI and machine learning, and even VLSI design. This shows the curriculum is definitely keeping pace with what the industry needs right now. And who is teaching all these courses? Well, the college has 95 faculty members who hold a PhD. For a student, having that level of academic expertise and research experience leading your classes, that's a massive advantage. Okay, now for the big one, the question that's on every parent's and student's mind. What about placements? What's the return on this huge investment of time and money? So according to the official NIRF data, the median salary for the graduating batch of 2024 was 3.85 lakhs per annum. But that single number, it's just one piece of the puzzle. The real story is in the trend. Take a look at this chart. After hovering around the 2.9 lakh mark, there was a really significant jump to 3.85 lakhs in the most recent year. That shows some serious positive momentum in what graduates can expect to earn. And that growth is definitely supported by strong industry connections. You see the big names from the IT world, TCS, Cognizant, Wipro, recruiting from here. But it's not just IT. Core engineering companies like Ashok Leyland and Sundram Fasteners are also on the list. And this isn't just about jobs in the final year. The college is also an AICTE-recognized Idea Lab, which is a huge boost for hands-on innovation. And partnerships with companies like Oracle Academy and TCS mean that industry-level skills are built right into the curriculum. Academics and placements are absolutely key. But let's be honest, the campus environment is just as important for a student's growth. So let's talk about the practical side of life at Muthayammal. For students who will be staying on campus, this is a big relief for parents. The college has separate, permanent hostel buildings for both boys and girls. The mess caters to both vegetarian and non-vegetarian preferences, and basics like 24/7 power and water are taken care of. Now, for day scholars, the college runs a pretty extensive bus network. Their fleet covers more than 30 towns across Salem, Namakkal, and Erode districts, which makes the daily commute much easier.
And for those traveling from further away, the Rasipuram railway station is just 5 kilometers from the campus.
Financial support is also a key area. Students can access a whole range of scholarships, including government schemes from both the state of Tamil Nadu and the central government. There are also AICTE scholarships, and the college's own trust offers scholarships based on merit. So, let's pull all of this together. What are the key things that make Muthayammal Engineering College stand out? Here's a quick final recap of the highlights. When you put it all on one slide, the picture becomes very clear. You have a NAAC grade autonomous college with 7 of its programs having that top-tier NBA accreditation. You add in the prestigious AICTE Idea Lab and 4 research centers, and you've got all the markers of a really well-rounded quality institution. Just so you know, all the information we've shared in this explainer comes directly from the college's official website and verified government portals at the time we prepared this. To continue your own research, you can explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.